Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD, and the trend is continuing to the downside, but we are going parabolic at the moment. So you can see if you draw a trend line along the top here, and then there, you can see it's going down. Or if you've got a curved parabolic tool, and you put it here, you'll see there's a very clear parabolic curve here. What that basically means is it's signs of exhaustion. Okay. So we have this big exhaustion bar here as well, and I'm not sure whether we are onto structure or not. I don't like that. Gonna have to go quite far back, and price never broke below that either. I don't like this one either. I do like this one. Yeah, so that's the level that I do like. Oh, sorry, price did go past that, so forgive me. That level's very much in play, and I have a feeling this one is as well. Sorry, just want to get the weekly levels in so we just know where we are. Okay, so we've got a pretty strong weekly zone here. So if we get back to the 8 hour, you can see strong weekly zone, and we've already bounced off one area. So drop down to the hour, and you see a range starting to form, which is so typical. So I would be a bit reluctant to be jumping in short at the moment. I have a sneaky suspicion we're probably going to be moving a bit to the upside here. So it would make sense for a move back into this zone here. But trend is down, so I don't want to be trading to the upside on this. I want to be trading with the trend to the downside. So it would be a rejection of 105566. That's kind of my view at the moment. So I'd expect a rejection there to come back and test these levels. Alternatively, it's going to be a continuation. So it'll be a break of 104916. Come back, retest that, and that will give us our shorts. Don't want to be jumping in shorts when we are sideways like this. So that is a sit on hands until we reject higher up or until we break and retest lower down. So that structure we have there. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, this is starting to look a bit tired. Same kind of thing. You can see rejection, exhaustion bar, and then shooting star type setup with confirmation starting to form. The minute you drop down to the hour, there's trend is still up, obviously. So we would want to be long off structure lower down here, 149.173. If that gives way, then I would start looking for the structure for a reversal of these highs. At the moment, I am reluctant to continue long, especially with that pattern that you see there. All these hanging men here, rejection. You can just see there's already a lower high forming. So yeah, I'm very skeptical of this one. So I will be sitting on hands. It looks like a dollar is digesting some data, and I think that data they are digesting is going to impact price, and I'm seeing it on the indexes as well. So be careful of continuing with those two trends at the moment. Moving across to British pound Japanese yen, still completely confused. This week has been absolutely nothing, and if we get down to the hour, you can see it just continues sideways, slightly down and then up. So big down, big up. I don't see a decent amount of structure. Lots of barbed wire here. This is leave me alone, and that's exactly what we'll be doing. Not going to be interested in tracing anything here. No clear trend there. And lastly, Euro British pound looks like a reversal happening. Very typical of this pair. There's my structure. We've closed below it. So I would want to see a rejection of this area today, and that is 086682. Inside bars, engulfing bars, pin bars off there. Then I'm looking for another leg down, and your next bit of structure is going to be around there, which would be 086424. So looking for a move up there, rejection, and looking for take profit over here. That's kind of the view that I've got today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.